What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope you all are well out there. Before we get started, guys, please click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back, guys. Got another opportunity I want to talk to you guys about. I'm very excited about it. I've kind of been checking this out. 98 Unlimited. It actually was created back in July of 2020, and it's almost a year, and it's still standing, and it actually has gotten better as I've been watching it grow. Okay, so I want to talk to you about it real quick. So let's go and watch this clip, and then I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you 6 of my reasons why I decided to start promoting this project, okay, and adding it to my arsenal. So just check this out before I do that, though, and let me let you watch this, and you'll get excited as well. Check this out. All right, check it out.
Hello and welcome to our best kept secret. It's a secret that is so powerful, it has our members earning multiple $98 payments every single day. This secret will allow you to get paid over and over again, even though we are not MLM. After 21 years of building systems, we've seen some strange times, but nothing as strange as what we're seeing right now. There are more people needing an income from home than ever before, so we understand that a fast payout program is what everyone is looking for, and that's exactly what we've developed for you here. We also understand that as people are trying to create additional income, they don't have thousands of dollars to spend on something that may not work. With that in mind, we're going to give you a marketing system at no charge. This system finds people for you, tells them about our secret on your behalf, and follows up with them with our built-in autoresponders. Yes, it's all here for you. You just have to jump in and run with it. Fill out that form with your first name and primary email address. We can't wait to meet you and help you capitalize on our best kept secret. Fill out that form and we'll see you on the inside.
Okay, that is the capture page. Okay, this is their new capture page that they just released. So actually I got in at the perfect time. Okay, so this is the new capture page. As you can see, it's a nice capture page. Sometimes it's keeping things simple works. That's really the best way to do it, and I like what they've done here. So with this program, 98 Unlimited, you're able to make $98 over and over and over again, guys, instantly, and then residually monthly. Now that you've heard from the owner an introduction to the program, now I've listed 6 reasons why I decided to jump on board. So let me cover those with you. All right, so my very first reason is because it's very, very newbie friendly. I've got some notes here on my phone. Very, very newbie friendly. So for the masses, okay, a lot of people aren't internet savvy. This is brand new to them, online marketing, affiliate marketing. So Frank has made this very, very simple and newbie friendly. That's number 1. Number 2, the affordability. Okay, 98 bucks, guys. Okay, plus your one-time admin, you're looking at what, 135. Okay, to get started. And of course, yes, it's a residual, but you're gonna make this month after month. You break even on your first sale. So if you get one person in, that pays your 98. Okay, but it's bigger than that. You got to look way beyond that. You need to look at the big picture, how you can start receiving $98 from multiple people. Okay, that's the big picture. How many $98 payments would you like to collect every month? Okay, so it's affordable for everybody. Then it's instant pay. Okay, that's the third thing I like about it. And then the recurring residual income, month after month after month. Okay. Then number 5, the marketing system is included, which he stated on that video. The marketing system is included. The email series is included. and you have a back office. So this is definitely perfect for a newbie person. They don't have to go outside of this system. Everything is under one roof. Okay. And then of course, number 6, it's step-by-step training, which includes one of my favorite things, 4 postcard templates. They have already created them for you. You don't have to go and create them. You don't have to figure out what to put on them. They're already created for you. So those are my 6 reasons why I decided to jump on board. Okay, so you just saw the capture page, and now we're on the sales page. Okay, this sales page is the page that your leads are going to see when they opt into your page. They get this video. This video is what, 7 minutes? It's going to explain the program. So the system is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, all you need to do is get people to your capture page. So you have this video that's explaining everything, as well as this particular page. When they read through it, it's very detailed. He really lays it out. This program explains more than some of the programs that I've seen where you've got to pay $1,000 or $2,000 to be a part of. He really explained it all. I think it's very detailed and laid out very well. This is peer-to-peer, guys, which means the payments are going to come directly from the people that join you. The company is not going to cut you a check. The company is not going to send you any money, any of that. You're going to be paid directly. And what I like is you have the option to be paid any way you like. I'm going to show you those options in a second. All right, so peer-to-peer, month after month after month, as long as people keep their membership. Okay, so as I stated earlier, you got the one-time $37 and $98, and it's automated. Once you pay this thing, they have it already set up for you, so you don't have to wait 24 to 48 hours anything for your system to be up and running. So just like it says here, 3 fast steps and you're ready to go. Okay, and then here's another video, what's in it for you. So it basically tells you what you get. Okay, what do you get for that $98? You get some digital training. Okay, you get digital training. He talks about that on that video as well. Here's some proof payments of that was previously made, as you can see on the page. So that helps people as they're looking over the opportunity. They can see some payments have been received. Okay, this is all gonna close the sales for you, so you don't have to worry about explaining this to people. Now, as you come down this page, it tells you, what do you get? 2-page website system. Okay, you get an autoresponder, which I just explained to you. It's all included. So the system will follow up with your prospects on your behalf. And yes, you can attach a third-party autoresponder if you like. You know, Aweber, GetResponse, etc. All that's in the back office. He has a video that explains it all. Okay, so the $98 tries for 30 days, as he states here. What I like is he said statistics is showing that 94 out of 100 people end up staying with this. You know, yes, you're going to get people that's going to sign up and they're going to fall off. They're going to stick with it a month or two, and then, oh, this is not working. I mean, it's the same old, right? That means they just haven't applied themselves. It means that they haven't shown this opportunity to enough people. Trust me, because once I saw the presentation, it was just a no-brainer for me. And the next thing is, well, how do I promote that? That's a good question. The company has all that in the back office to give you different options of how you can promote this. Okay, so let's go through it. Before we get there, though, I want to go over this refund policy. I want to talk about it. There is no refund, okay, with this kind of product. It's a digital product, okay? It's digital. Once you receive it, it's yours. Once you go in this back office, you download everything, you've already received the product. So how is the company going to get the product back from you? Okay, not to mention this is a home-based business opportunity. So just make sure you go over all this and make sure this is something you want to do. Of course, if you're not satisfied or decide you want to cancel in 30 days, just reach out to the person that you signed up with so that they can take you off of their the auto ship basically, okay? But it's non-refundable, okay? So just make sure this is something you want to do. So that's that. Now let's go look at, I want to show you the back office where all this nice training you're going to get is included. Check this out. Now this is one of my favorite parts, because how many times have you started a opportunity to become an affiliate or a new person, and you go, well, I don't really know where I'm supposed to start. What am I supposed to do? What should I do next? Guess what? When you log into 98 Unlimited, right here is a button that says start here. Okay, very easy. And when you log in, if you take a look right here, it tells you step 1. Watch this video. Here's a video right here. Step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. They tell you exactly what to do. So if you click start here, you go to your profile, then it shows you here how to get paid. You go over here, you set that up. Okay, here's some of the options, guys. They have Square, they have you can do Cash App, you can set up any way you want. I'm going to show you these options. Go right here, click payment options. They have authorized.net, First Data, Bitcoin, Coin Payments, Dinero, Square, Pay Easy. If you want to do Cash App, PayPal, any of those things, you click on manual and just put your information in there. Okay, so instant pay. Okay, instant pay. That's what I like about it. So how you get started, you click start here. Okay, and then you click, it says, hold on. Okay, there we are, we were stuck. And then you see these steps, so just follow the steps. Very, very simple. This is actually just amazing. For the price point, everybody, I don't see why you would not be able to succeed. Now, let me show you the training back here, okay? Okay, right here in training, guys, they have everything. They've provided everything for you. Getting traffic, postcards, what do I do next? CPC ads, which is solo ads, products, labels, where you get your list from. Of course, when you join me, I'll share my sources with you. So you're going to get all this from the company, okay? Then additionally, I will provide you some resources that I have. Right here it says even your blueprint. I mean, you could literally sign up here and never even talk to your sponsor. If you follow the steps back here, you would be able to succeed. You must be consistent, though. Everything comes with consistency, okay? But let me show you what I love about all of this mostly is the postcards. So most of you know, if you're following me, the Postcard Diva, I love the postcards because it's simple for everybody. Everybody can do this. So they have 4 postcards. Here you are. Here's this one. Okay. Let me show you the other one. Now this is the one that I like right here. That one. Okay. Number 3. Okay. Then number 4. Okay. So they have these templates already ready for you. All you got to do is give them your domain, and they will go ahead and email you that, and you can order from back here as well. Here's the price list for the postcards. Everything is right here at your fingertip. You don't even have to come out of this back office, literally. Okay, they even give you places to get your leads from. Join me with this if you want to do the postcards. Reach out to me, because I will send you 200 leads to get you started. Okay, because I'm finding that's what a lot of people really like. Of course, you can do solo ads. I'll share that with you as well. But guys, this is one of my new opportunities for 2021. Go ahead and check out my link below. Get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys in 98 Unlimited, and we'll come back and talk about some more details on some marketing. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.